At Kennywood, we're always looking for new and valuable team members coming from a variety of different backgrounds, and Life's Work was one of those ways for us to be involved more in the community and find great team members here at Kennywood. I think every local business has a responsibility to be a good citizen and a good community partner, and that's exactly why Kennywood thinks it's important to work with organizations like Life's Work. We have that responsibility to our community to employ the best team members we can find from a variety of different backgrounds. We work with a variety of groups, including Life's Work, Goodwill, Project Bundle Up, a variety of different things to fit many different needs at Kennywood. The team members we get from Life's Work continue to be some of the best team members we have here at Kennywood. We're always impressed with the quality of team member we get from Life's Work. People especially like Verna, you see them with a smile and the good morning every single day they come to work. They're very reliable and hardworking, and they're some of our most outstanding team members here at Kennywood.